What is up guys, bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous estate of the Saint-Émilion appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Yes, this is a Grand Cru Classé, a chateau that was classified during the updated 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion. So indeed, one of the most prestigious and a famous winery of Saint-Émilion. We are looking at how to pronounce Château La Couspaude. Yes, this is not an easy one to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation, Château La Couspaude. Château La Couspaude. It'd be fine in English or American to say Château La Couspaude. Château La Couspaude, Saint-Émilion, Grand Cru Classé, Bordeaux wine. Château La Couspaude. If you want to learn more about the classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, how it came about, and all of the top estates from the appellation, here are videos that you may want to watch. Next, I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.